Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Marissa. I am a product designer, or some may call a UX designer, living in San Francisco. I work from home, so I spend an average of 8 to 9 hours a day at this desk doing my 9 to 5 job, designing, researching. I also use this space to play and work on my side projects, some video editing, and doing things with my hands like scrapbooking, sewing, building Legos. So, welcome, and let's dive right in. This is what my space looks like from afternoon to evening. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how I set up my Ergonomix standing desk, chair, ambient lighting, my floating monitor, and how to best hide cords and wires. And I'll link everything I mentioned in the description box below. First, the star of the show is the standing desk. This is the Ergonomix Sway Desk in Maple, and I went with their smallest size, which is the 24 by 48 inches. And I love how you can switch between sitting and standing with just one swipe motion. It can also remind you to stand as well after sitting for a long period of time. And underneath the desk, I have this little charging dock so I can quickly charge my phone, my camera without cluttering the floor. Next, we have these wooden tray holders for my keyboard and trackpad. And there's always a fun debate in the design community about being pro mouse or pro trackpad. I learned how to design with a trackpad, so I've been a trackpad girly through and through, but let me know which one you guys prefer in a comment. Another item that I like to have at my desk at all times is this tear-off calendar. It reminds me a lot of my grandparents, and I just love using the page to just write down any quick ideas that came up or just meeting notes. On the side of my desk, I have this little headphone hanger that rotates, which makes it super easy to grab them whenever I need. I don't know how I survived for 4 years without a proper ergonomic chair, but I just got this new chair from Ergonomix that comes with a back tension adjustment, adjustable arms, and a seat slider because you want to make sure your elbow is at 90 degrees and your feet is flat on the ground when you're working away at your desk. And not gonna lie, my favorite position is still cross-legged, and I do this like 60% of the time. This is another addition to my workspace, and this balance board has been helping me a ton when I'm standing because I tend to put a lot of weight on one leg, and that's supposed to be really bad for your lower back. And I love how it just matches my maple Ergonomix desk so perfectly. I like to start my day in a standing position, checking my emails, going through my first meeting of the day, and then I'll put my balance board away. I like to do my deep focus design work sitting down, or just any heavy designing, researching, writing stuff. After lunch, I find that standing is really helpful when it comes to that mid-afternoon slump. So I'll just stand for at least 30 minutes, and then I'll just sit for the rest of the day, depending on how I feel. This is the best part about this new setup. One thing I can't stand is messy cables, and this built-in cable tunnel and a power strip are also from Ergonomix. I use a white cable sleeve from Amazon because I want everything to be color cohesive, and here is the final result from the back. And this is me doing some final touch-ups with adhesive strips and some zip ties. And if you have a lot of under-desk cables, you can put them in this little pouch as well. Another thing to note is that you can place this power bar depending on which direction your desk is facing, And because my desk faces the wall, my power bar is at the back. But if your desk is in the middle of your space, you may want to install it facing you instead, and then use these two little brackets that came with it so it's sturdier. This is my curved monitor. It's the Samsung 4K 32 inches that I mounted on a rotatable monitor arm. It's perfect when I have a friend over and I want to show her something while we're co-working. So I've tried 6 iPad stands in the past, but this magnetic one has stuck with me for over 4 years now. I got it from Amazon. I also do a lot of scrapbooking on this app called Paper by WeTransfer. To get that subtle glowy effect, I use this LED rope light behind my desk. It's 10 feet long, so you can cut it at any length or get super creative with shapes on the wall. I love playing around with the different gradient combo. I think I've made at least 10 variations of the sunset settings, and I have it synced to my Alexa app. This way my desk light would just turn on automatically at sunset. And that is my desk setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour and got some inspo for your own workspace. If you have any questions or want to know more about any of the items that I mentioned, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more design and cozy content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!